Bless you. Thank you.
When you sneezing more than twice in a row. This be me, bro. I'll be sneezing like 5 times.
Bless you. Thank you. Bless you.
Yo, this nigga waiting for the fucking bless you.
Whoa. Hey. What we gotta do all this for now? It's just the rules, Henry. You know the rules, and so do I. Come on, man. Just give up on that already. Never gonna give it up. Just let the gun down. Never gonna let it down. Let's just run along and forget this whole thing, huh? Never gonna run around or desert it. You're gonna make me cry, man. Never gonna make you cry. Enough! Why should I even let you live?
No.
Just think about it, man. We ain't even gotta do all this.
She probably weigh 90 pounds, fucking short ass nigga. Nigga still sneezing.
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
I weigh 118, dead ass. Oh my god. Yo, Ella, what a girl's like you at, yo? Like, 118? Like, I could really, like, yo, like, one of them could have been shot already while they was talking. You know, niggas be bluffing, though. Like, I feel like if a nigga pulled a gun on me, I think I might actually die that day because I'ma just play with him, bro. Like, the way I just think, like, no, like, niggas just not shooting, bro. You just not shooting at.